What's up, great people? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Flora Best, and I'm back with another video. But before we dive right into it, if this is your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. By so doing, you won't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, let's dive right into it.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. Yes, we're happy to have you here again. For today, we're going to be doing a tutorial on one of the trending geles, and I hope you like them. Just sit back and watch and see everything we do. Okay, thank you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that.
Press that thumbs up.
Yeah.
Comment, share.
All right, first we're going to make our pleats and make sure that your gele is 50-50, and you want to create at least 6 or 7 pleats. Do it like this. Putting our pleats up to 6 of it. Now this is 5 pleats we've created here, and then you want to go from behind it, behind a hair. Yes, tell her to take the hair off and cross it over. Help me hold it. And cross it to her front this way, like so. And you tell her to hold one side for you while we create the pleats. Just tell her to hold it down this way. You want to arrange your pleats first of all. So arrange your pleats this way, following the original pleats you already created, and then you tell her to hold this other hand, and then lift this one. You want to arrange your pleats. Do engage your clients by telling them to hold the pleats for you so you don't get bored. Sometimes you can give them good compliments like beautiful lady. Yes, to make your whole class fun or the whole tutorial fun. So as you can see, I'm arranging the pleats, make sure it's well lined out. And then the next thing we're going to do is get this whole one together, and you get this one together too, and you want to cross like you're twisting over. Now while you're doing this twist, you want to also make sure you're following the line of that pleats. This pleat, the way it comes this way, you want to make sure it's following that pleat this way. You can see. Don't just twist it. You want to make sure you're following the pleats. Make sure it's well arranged before. Twist it over, as you can see. And then you bring this one to the front. When you bring it to the front correctly, you're going to notice that your gele will be carrying the pleats. See what I mean? It's the carrying those pleats that you did originally from the beginning. And engage your client again, tell her to hold this part for you, and then you start creating your fan gele. I hope I'm not too fast. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we now start creating our pleats, or creating our fan gele. So go this way. You see? And then the second one, you see it's already guiding you. And then the third one, just like that. You want to make sure the pleat starts from the beginning. Just like that. Creating the pleats. then you tell your client to hold it at the back for you. That one. Okay. Just allow to hold it for you there. And then she leaves this room. While she's spinning, hold it firm, don't let it shift. You can actually secure it with a pin if you want. So while she's doing that, you start creating the fan gele with this other end. So that's the way to get to. Following the original plan from the first clip. Okay, so following this original pleats now, we're going to start creating this other side. Make your pleats. First one, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Remember what I said, make sure that your pleat is coming from that beginning point. And just keep creating your fan gele. Creating your fan gele. Now you extend that pleat. Don't forget to extend the pleat. Extend it. Okay, like so. Extending it. Extend the pleat. Extend it. And you have this. Then you come to the back. Tell your client to be it's like what will help me hold this. Just stick your head up. Good. Stick your head up. And this is how the back looks like. Once you tell the client to raise your head. What we can see, this is how it looks like behind them. Why you did this is where you now tie. You want to be careful when tying. You can actually use a rubber band if you don't want to tie this way. Actually use a rubber band. I'll also be showing us that rubber band. Then you tell your clients to turn and you begin to fix the pleats to make sure they're all uniform. So guys, this is the finished look of our trending gele, and I hope you like it. This is what you get when you're done tying it. I don't mind our muse. She's not on makeup, but the focus here is on that gele, and I hope you like what you can see. I'm going to be spinning her around so you can see the back view gradually. So this is how it is. Back view. Simple and beautiful. And imagine rocking this for a wedding or as a guest or even on a bride. With your makeup, you will look so sleek. Thank you guys. Hope to see you next time. Love you. Bye.